2 big potatoes boiled. Mash well. 2 tablespoon corn flour. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon red chili flakes. A third cup carrot grated. A third cup boiled peas. 1 green chili chopped. 2 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Mix well. 2 bread slices. Cut the sides. Add potato mixture. Two eggs. 2 tablespoon milk. A half teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon chili flakes. 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Coat in egg mixture. Breadcrumbs. Coat in breadcrumbs. Medium hot cooking oil. Cook on low to medium flame until light golden.